Hi, it's me, Teacher Jovi, and today we are going to learn about writing. Let's learn how to write. What are we going to do? Let's trace, copy, and write different strokes like scribbling, straight lines, slanting lines, combination of straight and slanting lines, curves, combination or straight, and curved lines. Let's talk about scribbling. Let's make your hands working. Get a piece of paper and scrabble just like the picture on your right. Very good! Let's talk about the first kind of line. Standing line. Let's try to write standing lines, just like this. Wow! Watch me write the standing line. Then after me, you try. Your turn. Good job! Make it rain. Trace the dotted lines to form standing lines, just like this. Very good! Nice work! Let's talk about sleeping line. Let's try to write sleeping lines, just like this. Wow! Watch me write sleeping lines, then after me, you try. Your turn. Good job! Help the car get on the road, just like this. Yes! Nice work! Let's talk about slanting line. Let's try to write slanting lines, just like this. Wow! Watch me write the slanting lines, then after me, you try. Your turn! Excellent! This plant needs sunlight. Draw a slanting line just like this. Good job! Now let's talk about curved line. Let's try to write curved lines, just like this. Wow! Watch me write the curved lines, then after me, you try. Very good! Let's draw a flower. Nice work! Thank you! Now, try to practice it every day.